Right. Hey guys, I'm using my headphones today as a microphone. Happy Saturday. So I went to Trader Joe's and I got some stuff and I just wanted to share the stuff that I got with you. My bill came up to $77.57. And I got 23 items. Right? That's decent, right? We did good. So I got some baby spinach. I got 2 bags of that. 2 bags, because we gonna need some spinach. I got some broccoli florets. I got 2 bags of that. Um, the baby spinach was, right, let me see so y'all can know. So the baby spinach was, I don't know, but the broccoli was $2.99. I got 2 bags, so that came up to $5.98. Oh, the baby spinach was $2.99 too. Actually, $2.29, and I got 2 bags of that, so that came up to $4.58. Right, that's good. I got some shrimps. Right, 15 to 30 coming in. Oh, 15? No, 21 to 30. Right, and that was let me see. Here go with this stop saying Kashima. Cut it out. That was $9.99, so that was $10 for some shrimp. I got salmon, 2 bags of that. This bag was $10.29. And this bag was $11.89. So you want to say $22 for 2 bags, right? It's not bad. I got some pasta. These were both $1 a pack. Some, what is that? Capellini and linguine. Right. I got some kiwi. Because you know we got to make our smoothies. And I need that for my smoothies. I got some trail mix. These are, I believe, $6.49 a bag. And they come with individual packs. So you get 10 handful packs in here. Yeah. So I got those. Because, you know, we want to keep up. I got some shaved Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago cheese. This was about, let's see. Oh, $3.49. Right? $3.49. I got some rolled oats. Put in my smoothies and to make oatmeal. That was $2.99 for this bag. I got 2 cans of tuna. The 2 cans of tuna, both $1.99 a piece. 2 cucumbers. These were $2.29 a piece. Some avocate. Some avocate. I got 2 of these, and these were $1.49 a piece. I got some lemons. I got 3 lemons. Let me show you my lemon. I know y'all know what lemon look like, but I want to show you anyway. So I got 3, but I left the other one in there. So I got 3 lemons. These were 49 cents a piece. And I got me some gummy bears for a hard days of shopping. And this was $1.99. So yeah, thank you for watching me unbag my stuff. Trader Joe's is that spot. I got all of this stuff for $77. I don't think that was bad. I think that was pretty good. I feel like I would have went somewhere else and probably spent way more money. But yeah, so shout out to Trader Joe's. Ew. Let me do my thumbnail. See y'all later.